Good morning, children. Welcome to Class 5 Social Studies. What we have learned in the previous class? Do you remember or forgot? Chapter 3 Time to Travel. In this time to travel, we have learned the important means of transport. Waterways, landways we learn, that is roadways and railways. I hope all of you understood the portion and all of you read very well. Then today we are going to learn the waterways. We all know waterways is an important means of transport. It is the slowest and oldest means of transport. Oldest and slowest means of transport. Because early men first used raft. No. What is raft? It's a means of transport. Later men also used, but early men first used the raft. They cut the logs of wood, and the logs of wood, these long logs of wood, they attached together and they made raft. And like boat, they used this raft to move from one place to another place and carry heavy goods from place to place on water. Okay. Then before the invention of the steam engine, people used the simple and slower means of transport on water. There were boats, rafts and ships that moved at a slow speed. Boats were there, rafts were there and ships were also there. But they were very slow speed because of no engine. Okay. No steam engine. But later, the introduction of the steam engine, large ships were fitted with diesel or steam engines. It improved the speed of the ships. So, after the steam engine introduction of the steam engine fitted the ships and it improved the speed of the ships. Nowadays, we have huge ships that could carry heavy consignments. Consignments means heavy bulky goods, batch of goods to used to deliver. Okay. These huge ships are called cargo ships. So what is meant by cargo ships? Huge ships. Huge means very big, large. The large ships that could carry heavy consignments are called cargo ships. Consignments, that is food grains, food items, bulky food grains, then oil tankers, then gas tanker, then automobiles, aeroplane and even ships, small ships, boats, etc. can carry these huge or large ships that are called heavy consignments. Okay. And some ships are used to transport food grains, mineral ores and other bulky goods. So after the introduction of the steam engine, large ships emerged and their speed is it is very speed. They could carry huge consignments and food grains, mineral ores and bulky goods from place to place. Okay. It improved the steam engine improved their speed. Then next is through slow ships can carry far more goods than other means of transport. They are cheaper too. Ships can carry far more goods than other means of transport. So goods, heavy goods it can carry than other means of transport. But it is very slow. As it is very slow, it is cheaper too. Cheaper means less expensive. So we know that the water means of transport is the slow means of transport. At the same time, it is very less expensive. Okay. Then canals. What is meant by canal? Have you heard the word canal? Yes. I think you have already learned canal in class 4. No? The Suez Canal, the Panama Canal. Okay. So what is meant by canal? Canals are the narrow water route that is dug between seas to connect the seas, connect important water bodies, connect the major water bodies. Narrow waterways are built. These narrow waterways are called canals. Okay, so why it is built? This canal is built to reduce the distance and traveling time, to reduce the distance between places and traveling time, to reduce the traveling time. So in order to reduce the distance and traveling time, canals are dug. Some major sea routes or canals of the world are Suez Canal route and the Panama Canal route, which are the two important sea route or water route, Suez Canal and the Panama Canal. Okay, this is the picture of the Suez Canal. The Suez Canal is a narrow waterway that joins the Mediterranean Sea with the Red Sea. It joins which two seas, which important seas? Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. These two seas, Mediterranean and Red Seas, are lies the north of Africa. Okay, and these two seas, Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea, are connected by the Suez Canal. So what is the importance of this Suez Canal? Most of the countries that go around the Africa in order to reach the Europe, mainly our country India. If you look the world map, you can understand that that is the ships from India, China and other countries. Mainly the ships are passed through trade, trade between countries. No, that means buying and selling of goods from other country, one country to another country. This is known as a trade. So in order to carry out trade, ships have to move from one place to another place to carry the goods or things. So from India, in order to reach Europe, Indians have to pass or go around the full Africa, and then they reach the Europe. But after the Suez Canal, after the building of this Suez Canal, directly Indians can move. We can move to Europe through the Suez Canal route. That means through this Suez Canal route, we can reach the Europe. Okay, so such a sea route, a easy sea route, is called the canal. So the Suez Canal is a narrow waterway that joins the Mediterranean Sea with the Red Sea. It was built in the year 1869. The main canal is just a stretch of 160 km, but it shortens the journey between India and Europe. And this canal's length is just 160 km. It is not very long, not very wide, very narrow, but it shortens the journey between India and Europe. That is the main thing. It shortens the journey between India and Europe. So before this Suez Canal's introduction, Indians have to move to go around the full Africa, Cape of Good Hope and full of Africa. They have to move through this Atlantic Ocean. Then only they could reach the Europe. But now no need to move around the Africa, no need to go through this Atlantic Ocean. Directly they can move to Europe through this Suez Canal. Okay, so it shortens the journey between India and Europe. The ships passing through Suez Canal do not have to go around Africa to reach the Europe. That is the main important thing. Okay, understood the Suez Canal. So which sea route connect the Mediterranean Sea with the Red Sea? Suez Canal route connect. In which year it is built? 1869. Okay. Then next is the Panama Canal route. This Panama Canal route is also a narrow waterway that connects or that links Atlantic Ocean with the Pacific Ocean. Which two oceans? Atlantic Ocean with the Pacific Ocean. Before the Panama Canal was built, ships sailing between San Francisco and New York had to go around South America like this. Okay, we have already learned the Indians have to move through this, go around Africa to reach the Europe. That in that way, before the Panama Canal's introduction, The ships that passing from San Francisco to South New York have to go around South America to reach the destiny. But directly nowadays, this Panama Canal is built in between the North America and South America. So directly they can move through this Panama Canal to New York. San Francisco ships from San Francisco can directly move to New York through this Panama Canal. Okay, understood? It cut down the journey by almost 12,500 kilometers. That means before the introduction of this Panama Canal, they have to move to 12,500 kilometers around the South America. That 12,500 kilometers is cut now, okay, by the Panama Canal. Clear? So the canals are built to reduce the distance and traveling time. Two important canal or sea route are the Suez Canal and the Panama Canal. The Suez Canal connects the Mediterranean Sea with the Red Sea, and the Panama Canal connects the Pacific Ocean with the Atlantic Ocean. Okay. So all of you understood this? So our chapter is finished. Read the chapter well. Next online class I will ask questions. Okay, once again I will explain that time. Then you read this lesson very well, and any doubt you can ask questions that time. Okay, clear children? Bye.